Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Ed's Tech YouTube channel. So today we have the JBL Flip 4 unboxing. Well, it's an unboxing. I did open it in the store and I did take it out of the box and take the string off because I personally was not a fan of the string. Yeah, I'll go get it and show you right now. Yeah guys, everyone knows the JBL Flip 4 string. Here it is, right here. Came on the thing, you can tell it was on it. But I took it right off because personally, man, I don't want any strings to get caught on stuff at work. This is going to be my work speaker, so that's how it is. So let's get it open now. And Flip 4. I have this thing upside down, I think. But yeah, guys, there it is. Oh, if you see this in the back, this thing in the background here, this blue thing. Guys, I didn't tell you, but I got a JBL Extreme as well. Like the original one. The original JBL Extreme. Before I get into this box here, just going to show you all JBL Extreme. It was a renewed model. So, you know, typical stuff. All the ports, aux, service, 2 USBs, and the DC input. So, yeah, there it is. That's the JBL Extreme, but let's get to the main course for this video, which is the JBL Flip 4. All of its entirety in the box as well. Let's get this out of the box first and put this to the side. Here it is. Looking nice. And let's get into the box. Nothing really in this section except for right here. And there's your typical JBL orange flat cable. And nothing else. And in the box on top, which I'm surprised I didn't look at first. I actually have no idea what's in here. I think it's the usual books. Yep, just your books. And that's about it, really, I think. I'm pretty sure this thing is just part of the box, which I think that's a cool part. That's a cool design aspect to put it in one of the card boxes. That's cool. But yeah, let's get to the main course, which is the JBL Flip 4 itself. I think I might do a sound test here as well. Got the old phone right now. And there we go. I'll show you the ports. There we go. Aux in and your micro USB for charging. Because this one goes for the micro USB instead of DC, unlike the Extreme. Upside down. Let's just power it on. Love that sound. There we go. Instantly connected. So, now I don't know how to link songs to my YouTube channel. If someone you could tell me to do that, how to do that in the comment section, that'd be great. But I'm gonna play a good bass song that I know, really bassy. Let's just give her a nice, in general, sound test here. Make sure she's on full volume. Yep, she's up. And hang on. Gotta put the hang on, guys. I gotta put the microphone next to the thing. You're not gonna hear my voice very well for a little bit, but it's what it is. Gotta hear music. Alright, there we go. I have it next to the I have the microphone right next to the speaker now. If you can't hear me as well, that's why. If that's even a factor, but let's go.
Are you always this articulate?
Hercules. My name is Hercules.
Alright, well that's that for the sound test. I hope you all enjoyed. Personally, this is probably my favorite sounding speaker that I own. It is the most crisp, loud speaker that I got. I mean, it's not as loud as the JBL Extreme, but I mean, it's really loud, honestly. For my first experience of having it, it's really loud for how small it is. So, yeah, if you guys want to see any further testing or review, let me know in the comments below and I'll do so. So, I hope you all enjoyed this little video anyway. And I'll see y'all in the next EdTech YouTube video. Ed's Tech YouTube video. Sorry, stuttering today. Peace.